I know there is only one subject in which you are not able to score good. That is physics. I have seen 90% students saying, sir, I am able to score good in biology and chemistry, but I lag in physics. I am not able to score more than 45. I'm not able to score more than 60. I'm not able to cross 100 marks. Why is it like that? Sir, is it possible that I can get 180 out of 180 in NEET 2027 because we have approximately 1 year left? Sir, if it is possible, how can I do that? And can you give me some of the examples of the students who have done this before? I can give you the tons and tons of examples who have done this before. And my dear NEET aspirants, every single time I say physics is the subject which is going to decide whether you will enter the medical college or not. Why? Because 80 to 85% students, they are able to do good in biology and chemistry. So the one who performs good in physics, he is going to enter the medical college or she is going to enter the medical college. Same thing happened in NEET 2025. Some students could only solve, I would say, 5 to 6 questions in subject physics. They're right now into the medical college. So if you don't perform good in physics, then it is very difficult for you to enter the medical college. If you say, sir, is it possible for me to enter the medical college with just 2 subjects? No, bro. Without the physics, without getting good score in physics, leave this dream of becoming a doctor. Let me tell you honestly. In this particular video, this is not a clickbait video. I am going to tell you from the scratch how you can build the strong concepts, how you can score, I would say, 180 out of 180, if not 180, at least 170 in the upcoming time, so that you can enter the medical college. And my dear NEET aspirants, each and every single thing, what you are supposed to follow, what are the books you are supposed to follow, how much time you are supposed to give to the physics, what type of problems you are supposed to solve, every single thing I'm going to tell you in this particular video. Make sure you smash the like button and you share it with your friends also. Let's dive into this particular session. First and the foremost thing, my dear NEET aspirants, I would say from 0 to 180, I am assuming that you know nothing about the subject physics. So this strategy is for those students, okay? How many days we have? 350 days. And every single day, how much time you are supposed to give to the subject physics? I would say 4 hours. Sir, it is difficult for me to give 4 hours in physics subject. Then I would say, forget about 180 out of 180. Forget about 160 in physics also. So you have to give 4 hours of minimum time when it comes to the subject physics. How many chapters do we have? 30 chapters. Now, my dear NEET aspirants, let's assume that you are learning in a batch, you have taken the batch in some institute, whatever it is. So there has to be 2 hours of class every single day, the live lectures which you're taking with the teacher. If I talk about my batch, Phoenix 2.0, I am going to take 2 hours of lecture every single day. And in that 2 hours lecture, I'll have to start from basics to advanced. From the scratch, from the 0 level, I'll assume that you know nothing about the subject physics, because same thing I have done previously in NEET 2026 also. So I'll be starting from the scratch basics and I'll take you to the advanced level. All the problem patterns, okay, all the problem patterns which has the probability that they can ask this particular question in NEET 2027. Because we have the experience, we know what kind of questions, what pattern they can ask in the NEET examination. And my dear NEET aspirants, all the previous year questions of NEET, I would say 70% of the previous year questions of JEE Mains, selected problems of JEE Mains, this is my goal in the, and if you're learning with some teacher, please make sure, tell that particular teacher to start from the scratch, solve all the PYQs in the class itself, solve all the questions of the aims, solve, I would say 70 to 80% questions of JEE Mains, selected problems which has the probability to come in the NEET examination. And my dear NEET aspirants, all the variety of problem patterns which are present in the NCERT, be it the exercise or be it the examples. That is what I'm going to teach over here. And the concise theory, because you don't have to do the PhD in the subject physics. You have to be very specific. You have to understand the limited amount of theory which can help you to build a strong concept, which can help you to solve the problems. That's what I'm trying to say. This is going to be my goal in these 2 hours of lectures every single day. And then, my dear NEET aspirants, 2 hours of self-study. In your self-study, what you guys are supposed to do? First and the foremost thing, whatever you have studied in that day in the subject physics, you will have to revise that. And make sure you make the notes along with the teacher in the class itself during the live lecture, and you do the correction of the notes, because maximum number of times I have seen students making mistakes in the notes in the class itself. So make sure you make the correction of that notes. And then, my dear NEET aspirants, revision, important. Whatever you studied that day, make sure you revise at the end, because if you do not do the revision in physics, then forget. This is going to create chaos at the end moment. This is going to create a lot of problems after some time. So my dear NEET aspirants, apart from that, daily practice problems, which I will be designing on my own, which I'll be sharing with you. It will be related to the topic which you have studied that day in the class itself. Then, my dear NEET aspirants, I would say modules. When it comes to the modules, I would highly recommend over here Unacademy modules, because Unacademy modules has the set of problems level 1, level 2 and level 3. If you solve all the level 3 problems till level 3, even if you solve level 2 only, 100%, whatever the problem comes in NEET, you are going to smash it. That is for sure. This is what is my goal in my particular batch. So if you are learning in any batch, make sure you follow the same schedule. Now see guys, when it comes to the schedule, since I told you I'm following the Phoenix 2.0 batch. Okay, this Phoenix 2.0, I'll be taking the classes over here. 2 hours of lecture every single day. Notes you guys are supposed to make from your end. These are what we call the self notes. And theory, basics to advanced, which I have recently explained. Every single thing I'll be basically discussing in Phoenix 2.0. Every single thing means every single thing. All the problem patterns of JEE mains, all the problem patterns, aims, NEET, every damn thing, bro. The problems which are designed by me only, those problems also I'll be putting up over here. And then, my dear NEET aspirants, at the end moment on YouTube, I will be coming up with at least 3 revisions. That is what I did this year also. You can check YouTube, Unacademy NEET English. You can check, I did 3 revisions when it comes to the subject physics. And 5 question practice sessions. And these question practice will be those, I would say, 100% paper is going to come from these particular sessions. Because in these, I'll be solving approximately 1,500 to 2,000 problems in these question practice sessions. Every single thing will be covered in these question practice sessions at the end moment. Now, my dear NEET aspirants, when it comes to the questions, since I told you when it comes to the questions, first, those questions which I'll be showing you in the session. Okay. Then, my dear NEET aspirants, previous year questions that I'll show you. You guys are supposed to do these from your end also. I'll be showing you all. And then we say NCERT questions and selected problems of H.C. Verma, or I would say D.C. Pandey over here. So, my dear NEET aspirants, every single, and when I say minimum of 250 questions you guys are supposed to do from your end in every single chapter. Sir, how many will you do in the class itself? I would say 300 to 400. 300 to 400 questions I'm going to solve in my classes, in my, I would say, sessions and my chapters. Okay. And I would say selected problems of JEE mains. These are very much important because it has been seen in the recent years. They have asked directly questions from the JEE mains pattern. Okay. So my dear NEET aspirants, when it comes to the syllabus completion, it will be done on, I would say, December or Jan. If you are learning in any batch, make sure you do the syllabus completion by December end. Because then rest of the, I would say, months, you guys are supposed to use for the revisions only. Okay, I am finishing my syllabus in December. Then after that, I am planning to basically go 1 to 2 revisions in the batch itself. And on YouTube, I have planned 3 revisions. That is my goal. And I will do that because we have done this. You can check the YouTube itself. And detailed revisions, I would say, and 3 quick revisions. This schedule I'll let you know at the end. So if you do this, my dear NEET aspirants, 100% you are going to basically get 180 out of 180. Now, if you ask me, sir, how can I join your batch since you told us the entire schedule, how you can make this possible? The link is in the description of this particular video or in the comments. If you click onto that link, you'll land onto this particular page. You'll get the maximum possible discount. I would say 60% discount. Okay, you can use this code Yawar over here by enrolling into this plus subscription. Rest, I'll be taking care of every single thing. Doubt solving, whatever you have, will be taking care of each and every single thing. So make sure we are starting the classes from, I would say, 20th of this month. I don't want you guys to miss out any of the classes out there. Because if you miss the classes, my dear NEET aspirants, 100% you are going to have problems in the upcoming time, because every single lecture is related to each other. So make sure you join. The link of this is in the description below. I told you every single thing what I'm going to follow in my batch, same thing you guys can expect. So the link is in the description below. Check out this and take this and enroll in this batch. See you guys in the batch itself. Take care and bye-bye. Thank you so much.